නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස. Do you have any question? Many questions. Karana? Karana? It's same sentence. Same sentence. You mean? Okay. Buddho dhammang deseti. Buddho savakehi dhammang deseti. Buddho savakehi upasakanang dhammang deseti. Okay. Now according to the question, Buddho dhammang deseti, meaning Buddho dhammang deseti, speech. Okay. The Lord Buddha speech the Dhamma. Meaning. Okay. First sentence meaning, the Lord Buddha speech the Dhamma. The Buddho Patama, Dhammang Dutiya. Okay. Next one. Buddho Savakehi Dhammang Deseti. The Buddho Savakehi, with the Savakehi, with the disciples. Okay. The Savakehi, with the disciples. Upasakanang. No, sorry. With the disciples. Dhammang, the doctrine. They say the speech. The Lord Buddha speaks Dhamma with the disciples. With his disciples. With his disciples. Okay. Again, the Lord Buddha speaks Dhamma with his disciple. Savakehi meaning Tatiya. Tatiya. Huh? No. Now, see question. How we join the all vibhatti together going? This is meaning, huh? But the Savake Dhammandeseti meaning to the disciples. Can akusa the cannot this Upasakanang I will include, huh? Okay, understand this different? Patama vibhakti, Tatiya vibhakti, Dutiya vibhakti, Kiriya verb. Bhasati also speech, they say the speech, but usually Bhasati normal person. We are talking. They say the yes, speech. Speech meaning our Buddha or Lord Buddha or some Sangha, they give Dhamma talks. At that time we are used they say. Okay? Okay, understand different meaning? Okay? Patama vibhakti, Tatiya vibhakti, Dutiya vibhakti, verb. Next one. Buddho Savakehi Upasakanang Dhammang Deseti. Buddho, the Lord Buddha, Deseti, speech, Dhammang, the doctrine, with the Savakehi, to the laymen, to the laymen. Chatutti. Patama vibhakti, Tatiya vibhakti, Chatutti vibhakti, Dutiya vibhakti, Kiriya. Yes. Second, the different sentence different way. Now second, according to like this sentence, second example, we want to use subject, object, verb. At that moment, subject, object, verb. Okay. Then we want to use the Tatiya. At that moment, subject, Tatiya, object, verb. We want to use Chatutti also. Subject, Tatiya, Chatutti, object, verb. Always the almost verb close to the Dutiya close to the verb. This is important. Okay. Actually, the this is a way studying way. Usually we are going to read the Sutta or Abhidhamma Vinaya, our Lord Buddha's teaching way. At the time, the different the grouping. Okay, sometimes we cannot see the subject. We cannot see subject, some sentence. We have to add by ourselves. We cannot see subject, some sentence, sometime. Okay? Understand? No? Yeah, always behind. First. Yeah. If you want to add only the object between the middle. Sometimes you want to add the tatya. At that time, tatya close to the subject, object close to the verb. You want to use like this way. Tatya close to the subject, object close to the verb, the chatuti between. But different person, different way also they can change. But this is the usually, but we can speak very smoothly. We can recite. Buddho upasakanan savakehi dhamman deseti, we can say. But Buddho savakehi upasakanan dhamman deseti. This is a proper, polite way. Okay? Yeah, same way we can follow, we can go. Yes. Yes. Okay? Enough? Want to continue? Yeah. According to this sentence, if I want to add the panchami, I have to add past participle one word. Okay, past participle one word. This also I try to add. Agantwa. Agantwa. Past participle word. Agantwa. This is the original word. Agamati. Coming. Coming. Agamati. Because agachati. Agachati same agamati. Sorry. but don't think too much, because the Pali grammar different way they make, but you want to understand only the agameti meaning come, agacchati meaning, what is agacchati? Come. Agameti also come, same meaning. Agameti, we are going to the past participle, the having come. Having come. We want to say having come. At that time, agantva. Uttva. Uttva meaning one of the suffix. Uttva. At that moment, because of uttva, agama, we can change to agan. The changing. Because become agantva. Agantva meaning having come. Only understand meaning enough, no need to think grammar way. Try to by heart agantva meaning having come. No use anywhere, useless. Okay. Agantva meaning having come. This meaning not the came, no? Yeah, having come. Yeah, having come already. No, because English, yeah, English come, came, come. Yeah, having come. Yeah, usually the come meaning present tense, came meaning past tense, will come meaning future tense, come having come meaning past participle, because the past participle not came. The English having come. The example now, the go, went, will go, gone. Past participle, gone. Already. Then having come. From where? Viharam ha. From the monastery. Whole sentence. Buddho viharamha agantva savakehi upasakanang dhammang deseti. The Lord Buddha speech Dhamma to the Upasaka. At that moment we can say having come from the Vihara, the Lord Buddha. At that time we have to add like this. Because English, having come from the Vihara, the Lord Buddha speech Dhamma to the laymen with his disciples. Not complicate. Yeah, because English like this. Pali this way. Depend. But usually we can put like this. According to the always the subject beginning of the sentence. After that we can Panchami, Tatiya, Chatutti, Dhammang Deseti. Okay? No. Sorry? No, please. Too long. Okay, what English meaning? From Vihara. Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha. Like this start. Huh? Having come from Vihara, the Lord Buddha speaks Dhamma to the laymen with his disciples to learn. Yeah, already have it, already came, because Vihara. Yeah, because now Lord Buddha now is outside, not the Vihara, not the inside the Vihara, already outside. Example, you think our Lord Buddha on the way with the disciples, on the way. Okay, I add another two few words. Okay, please first write down. I can erase. Yeah? Same sentence. Okay, having. Okay. Without the having, I can. But sometimes cannot add the tatya. Hmm. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. This is a normal sentence. According to Panchami, yeah? Normal sentence. Darako naramha bhattang labhati. Darako naramha bhattang labhati. Darako meaning the child, the boy, labhati, receives or gets, receives, it's better, receives. What is rice? From where? From the man. The boy receive the rice from the man. From the man, Panchami. Okay? Panchami. English, write down. The boy or the child receives the rice from the man. Okay? Already? Understand? I try to add some few words to this sentence. Okay. Darako mittehi naramha bhattang labhati. O Darako mittehi saddhin naramha bhattang labhati. Write down first. Okay. Okay. Darako, the boy or the child. Labhati, receive. Bhattang, rise. Naramha, from the man. Mittehi, with his friend. Huh? Huh? Yeah, his the child friend. Yeah, yeah. Now at that now you see mittehi naramha, quite similar cases, no? Naramha meaning panchami ekavachana. Mittehi also panchami bahuvachana also mittehi. Mittehi, the word have, no? At that moment, you have to add sadding. Mittehi sadding one become one meaning. Mittehi sadding with his friends. Huh? Tatiya. Tatiya, but we mittehi mean tatiya, but panchami bahuvachana also mittehi. Understand? You see, the tatiya bahuvachana also mittehi, panchami bahuvachana also mittehi. Now we have to understand what is the difference. At that moment you can add mittehi sadding. Mittehi with his friends. This is the meaning.
So can I say that sadding comes in only when there's two pachami together?
The can add because you want to see the different separately meaning. At that way we can add. Huh? Sorry? Naram. Can. That's why. Without sadding also can. Without sadding can. But my meaning, sometime, yeah, to make it clearly, you can add the sadding. That's one. This meaning you have to translate first word by word. Then you can try to build your proper English sentence. Then you can understand what is the Vichibhati. No, now you are beginner. You are beginner because of the reason cannot understand. But now we see the sentence, we know directly. This is this Vibhakti, we know. Okay. Now, Darako mittehi sadding naramha bhattang labhati. Oh, Darako mittehi naramha bhattang labhati. Darako meaning the child. Already right? The child receive rice from the man with his disciple. This meaning, with his friends.
This case, the friends refer to the child's friends.
Yeah.
If the friends are the
because ah sorry yes tatiya tatiya okay mittehi tatiya naramha panchami your question
This here the Mitehi refers to the friends of the child.
to child for the child
But if the friends is referring to the man's friends,
but this is different case
different case.
yeah
Cannot
you cannot turn this time this meaning the narassa mitta narassa mittamha like this naranang mittamha mittasma this is different case okay understand them here understand no no huh
Tatiya first or Panjamin first? How first? That is Patama, then Tatiya, then Panjamin. Always like that.
no I cannot say like this because always you have to understand first subject patama end of the sentence a verb before the verb the dutiya between can be changed vibhakti can be changed can be changed huh example now you go to English also uh, I go to the village with my friend I go to the village I go to the his village with my friend like the some English sentences can change some the words but they have the proper way the subject verb like this but Pali also have usually this one coming according to our pronunciation smoothly to pronounce darako naramha mittehi bhattan labati also can darako naramha mittehi sadding bhattan labati also can darako the boy received the rice from the man with his friends same can change okay okay need another example okay I am going to change I'm going okay now I am going to change Okay. Dharako naramha mittehi sadding sunakassa bhattang labhati. Please write down. Dharako naramha mittehi sadding sunakassa bhattang labhati. Okay. Already right now? Dharako patama vibhakti. The child, the boy. Naramha panchami vibhakti. From the man. Mittehi saddhing. Tatiya vibhakti. With his friends. Sunakassa chatutti vibhakti. For the dog. Bhattang dutiya vibhakti. Rice. Labhati kiriya ekavachana receives. For the smooth. Yeah, begin. But somewhere explain the grammar, but I don't want to explain here because they are little bit yeah. But for beginning, no need because they explain about car. Who is the doer? Who is the doer? Who is the doer? For the doer, the karaka. The dharako, the kattu karaka. Bhattang kamma karaka. Naramha apadana karaka. Mittehi sadding karana karaka. Sunakassa sampradana karaka. They have the different way the Pali deep grammar explains, but no need to think.
Sorry, just say it is Sunakassa is what?
Chatutti. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I told already can change. I change for the understand. I already change. Usually Mittesad is okay. Mittesad is good because the Sadhi can. I want to explain that this way also can.
But the better way would be Mittehi sadding then naramha.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. But anyway, Dharako mittehi sadding naramha sunakas also can. Dharako mittehi sadding sunakassa naramha bhattang labati also can. Okay. Because now don't think too much because now we are still we are making small sentence now. Later we can understand how they build together, how build the sentence. We are going to study the sutta. Example now, evañ me sutañ. Okay, ekam samayam bhagava. Evañ me sutañ, one sentence. Very small. Ekam samayam bhagava savattyam viharati jetavane anatha pindikassa arame. This is one sentence. Ekam samayam bhagava savattyam viharati jetavane Anatha Pindikassa Arame. Viharati meaning verb, but cannot see end of the sentence. Understand? My meaning? Have. Now the ekang samayang bhagava savatthiyang viharati jetavane anatha pindikassa arame. One sentence. Pindikassa arame. They stop. But usually we are studying end of the sentence have the verb. But here verb viharati is in between of the sentence. Why? For the easy to the pronounce the way. Evang me sutang ekang samayang bhagava savatthiyang viharati jetavane anatha pindikassa arame. Huh? Some more. Tatra ko bhagava bhikkhu amantesi bhikkhavoti, but not the Mangala Sutta. Bhadante tite bhikkhu bhagavato paccasosung bhagava etadavocha dasa ime bhikkhave dhamma pabbajitena abinhang paccavekkhitambang katame dasa vevanniyam hi ajjupagattoti pabbajitena abinhang paccavekkhitabbang. They have the sentence. Evang mesutang, one sentence. Ekang samayam bhagava savatthiyang viharati jetavane anatha pindikassa arame, one sentence. But now we are studying only the grammar way. How to understand verb, subject, object, panchami, chatuthi, karana, tatiya. How we understand. This is our meaning. Okay? Later we are going to the according sutta. Then you can catch. You can understand how Lord Buddha used this one. This way we can understand. Okay, everywhere not same. But example, almost Pali of the Sutta, the Sutta Pitaka, very, very smooth, very, very nice and very polite way. But according to Abhidhamma, Pali, not smooth. They are used the very, very hard and deep words. Example now, in the Dhammasangani, the Abhidhamma book, they explain the start. No any Pali stanza in the Abhidhamma Pitaka. Or some place, no. Some place have the few sentences, but very rare to find. The example in the Dhammasangani book explain Lord Buddha. Kusala dhamma, akusala dhamma, abhyagata dhamma, sukhaya vedanaya sampayutta dhamma, dukkhaya vedanaya sampayutta. This is a different Pali grammar, different way. Those Abhidhamma Pali and the according Sutta Pali little bit different. There's a way. And quite Vinaya Pitaka and Sutta Pitaka quite same. And we are going to commentary Pali totally different. Why? According generation by generation. Now the Asian English after change to according to the British English, American English, but this time we are using English. Slowly become. No, but the Asian English also very deep, no? Some words we cannot understand. This time not use. Same way, Pali also the generation by generation, then we are going to Tika, sub-commentary, they are different Pali. Different meaning that they use the same grammar, but they use the different way. And according to the Sutta, Lord Buddha not the combine many words together, but commentary many words together combine, because they want to but the big sentence they want to make small. This is a meaning. Now understand? Dharako naramha mittehi sadding sunakassa bhattan labati. Meaning? Okay. The child receive the rice for the dog from the man with his friends. Now how many bhakti? How many cases? Patama, Panchami, Tatiya, Chatutti, Dutiya. Okay? Okay, now we already studied only Panchami, no? If you want to Chatti also can add one word here. The Chatti meaning of belong. Only different here. That's why now little bit again different. So now, okay. Kassa dharako. Kassa dharako naramha mittehi saddin sunakassa bhattan labati. Okay, write down this sentence. Very long. Yeah. I have. Okay. Kassa dharako naramha mittehi sadding sunakassa bhattang labhati. Okay. Only different kassa dharako. Kassa meaning of the farmer. Farmers also can belongs to farmer. This meaning the son of the farmer or the farmer's son. Understand? The son of the farmer or the farmer's son. Kassa dharako. The farmer's, son not child, child. The farmer's child. Okay. Continue your sentence. Sorry?
The child received the rice from somebody with his friend,
Mm-hmm.
and the child and his friend received the rice from somebody.
And, you mean and. This is different. We have to end meaning, we have to add one word.
So it's with his friend, so the friend is not, the friend won't get the rice back.
Yeah. Because the child go to the go to the man's place with his disciple, with his friend together. Go to the he after he received the rice from this man for the dogs. But this child farmer's son. Understand? Again. Farmers kassa dharako naramha mittehi saddhin sunakassa bahattang labhati. Meaning, now understand? No. Huh? That's a different meaning. Yeah, because the always belong we have to the add with the always together in front of belong, because the we use dharako kassa meaning different. Example like this: dharako kassa mitto. Mitta belongs to kassa. Understand? All understand this different case chart, yeah? But please don't think too much. Later we are coming to this place, huh? We are coming soon. No? Right? Okay, can you build new sentence by yourself? All together like this. Now, kassa chatti dharako patama naramha panchami mittehi saddhin tatiya sunakassa chatutti bhattang dutiya labhati kiriya. Except chatti, except kassa, except kassa, you try to write dharako mittehi saddhin naramha mittehi saddhin dharako naramha mittehi saddhin sunakassa bhattan labhati. This way, patama tatiya patama panchami tatiya chatutti dutiya. 5 cases join together, make one sentence again. Okay. Enough time, no? Okay. Now already understand? Already write down? No understand, but write down. Not clear, no? Okay, don't worry, we are coming. Because because I give the answer for the question, not the our lesson, no? Okay. Yeah, no need, because no time. Okay, now we have come to Panchami. Please read those are things, then you can understand what is the Panchami meaning. Yesterday I already explained, na? Okay. This is a nara, naramha, narasma, narebhi, narehi. Okay. Same way, all are. I already told to everybody to practice by yourself, no? Yesterday. Now, dharako, rukha o rukkamha o rukkasma patati. The one word also, okay. Dharako rukkamha patati. Meaning, dharako, the child, patati, falls, fall down. From where? From the tree. The child falls from the tree. Okay. Next one. Plural. Dharaka rukkehi or rukkebhi patanti. Singular sentence and plural sentence. We follow same rule. Dharaka rukkehi or rukkebhi patanti. Meaning, Dharaka, the children, patanti, falls, rukkehi, from the trees. You see, English, child become children. Singular child, plural children, not childs. Same way Pali also they have the different. If we follow the tree, trees, if this way we follow child, childs. Wrong, no? Child, children. Okay. Okay. I can go next one, no? Okay. Somebody still writing. Okay, I am going next one. Yachako nara naramha narasma bhattang yachati. The one of the word enough. Nara o naramha o narasma. Bhattang yachati. Yachako, the beggar. Yachati, begs. Bhattang, rice. Nara naramha narasma, from the man. Slowly try to communicate with the Pali language. Huh? Yeah. Okay, next one. Plural. Yachaka narehi or narebi bhattang yachanti. Yachaka. Yachati. Beg. Bhattang. Rice. Narehi. From the man. The beggars beg for rice from the man. According to English, we have to add for. Otherwise, meaningless, no? But that's it. But according to the Bhattam meaning, accusative. If you are at the for rice, become adverb. Because sometimes we use the go to the village, adverb, no? To and for, they give the same meaning, to the village. Okay.
Here is Panchami. If we interpret it as Tatiya, the answer still can come out.
Hmm?
If we interpret it as instead of Panchami, we interpret it as Tatiya.
The displays you meaning.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the can, but we are coming, the all together we are joining. Now example now, the yachaka narehi bhattang yachanti. At that moment we can translate the beggars beg the rice with the men. Also can. Now you see, according to the bhakti, no? Can. Only plural sentence we can make like this. Yeah, now we are used from because our the ability of separation. According to the way we have to follow. Example now, the narehi, narebi, the tatiya also plural narebi, narehi. Panchami also narehi, narehi. According to tatiya meaning with the men. Panchami meaning from the men. But like the small sentence, yachaka narehi bhattang yachanti. Yachaka the beggars, yachanti beg the rice from the man according to Panchami. Tatiya, the beggars beg the rice with the men. So according to Tatiya, according to Panchami like this. According to Tatiya different. But we are come to the explain the how we understand. Example, together Tatiya and Panchami together coming. At that moment we have to add Saddhi. Okay? So far, okay. Now, you see, read. Understand? Yeah, same, but meaning different. Grammar same, but meaning different meaning. Yeah, according to our intention. That's why the example this is the one thing. This time our Lord Buddha's teaching, the Pali Sutta or Pali explanation. Now we are going to translate to your own language. Okay, we are going to translate to your own language. Example now, the some sutta translate to English, some sutta translate to Sinhala, some sutta translate to Chinese. And another thing, the some teachers, example the 3 teachers, they translate one sutta, example Mahamangala Sutta translate to English. Both are same or different? Yeah, they are very different. Why? Because they are sometimes they are their explanations are different. They are understanding like this way. They have the same rules but different meaning. But they follow only one meaning according to his opinion. That's why in the Asian traditional, we have to understand all our Dhamma. We have to understand generation by generation. Now the according to the Sri Lankan, we have the Pali grammar generation. How do we study Pali grammar? How to make the stanza? But both are say according to Sri Lanka. But the Myanmar also they have their own generation. How to they build the sentence? It's a different way, and that's why some translate different meaning. Because the look like same grammar but different meaning. Example the Sri Lanka's this time. Some of the new bhikkhus, they never ever study under the great teachers, but they study by themselves. Then they try to translate everything. They are mistake. They apply their own idea. They add own idea. The same way, but I not fully read all the English sutta translate, but I have heard some senior Bantes. According now we are using the translate book, the Madhyika Nikaya, Majjhima Nikaya, Samyutta Nikaya, Anguttara Nikaya. No, the both are translate the one of the bhikkhu. But some of the Majjhima Nikaya translates, some teachers say, someone says it's very, very clear. Because he associate with the great monk. Some more senior, some bhikkhus, he take advice from them. Then he translate, he follow some senior bhikkhus advice, their short note, all follow. After that, that bhikkhu, he translated by himself another samsutta, meaning wrong. Some teachers, some senior bhikkhus told us, because we don't know the clearly English, but they say the wrong explanation, because his understanding, because he previous time he translate very good. Why? Because of the senior bhikkhus. He took advice from the senior bhikkhus. He followed this generation way. Traditional, the generation he follow, but after that he translated by himself. This is a meaning. We have to understand the grammar. Now another thing. Tatiya yachaka narehi saddhing bhattang yachanti. Very clear, no? The beggars beg the rice with the man. Narehi saddhing with the man. Narehi also with the man. We add the saddhing. At that time we can see the separately. We can understand. This is the tatiya. This is tatiya. Exactly Tatiya cannot be changed. Okay. Panchami yachaka narehi bhattang yachanti. The beggars beg for rice from the men. This is now understand different. That's why the via Pali knowledge not enough to build the whole sentence properly. But our Lord Buddha always they had the at the many atako bhagava sayanna samayang patisallana vuttito. They are long sentence but different grammar. Atako. Actually, we want the Lord Buddha, Bhagava, Lord Buddha, but they add Atta Ko. Atta meaning, they have the meaning, but Ko meaningless. No meaning, but they add for for Atta Bhagava, not smooth, no? Atta Ko Bhagava. We can, this is a way. Some words meaningless, no meaning. Only they add to the sentence. They add sentence for to polite, to the recite. Those are things coming in future. Don't worry. The new Pali course maybe after I think the 10 exercise coming. Those are things. But we are still, because I cannot teach this book. Before I enter, I'm only explanation. Now you take your book first exercise. You see the first exercise. Translate into English. Now you can do almost can do can make by yourself. Manusanang. What is the meaning? Manusanang. For the men. The one meaning. But according to Chatti, we not yet finished. Of the men, we not yet study. No? That's why I cannot give this exercise. Understand? Now, Puri say two meaning. But we already studied one meaning. Puri say, what is the meaning Puri say? Tutiya Bahuvachana. What's the meaning? Men. Hattena. Karana Ekavachana. Hattena. With the hand. Okay? Now, Padamhi. We noted study. Noted this case. And Kayena. Karana Ekavachana. By the body. Buddhesu. Noted study. That's why I cannot give this exercise. Understand? Now still have time to go to this book. Still have time. After maybe next week, maybe I think can go to this book. Then we can slowly can bring our Pali knowledge. You know? After that they make the 2 words together, then 3 words. Slowly they are going. Okay? Now you understand what is the difference, no? Okay, if you need write down, different? Okay, if you need write down quickly. As soon as possible, because today I have to do homeworks. Before one. How to go there? Cannot. Hmm. Okay. Pali, no headache, huh? Headache? No headache. Now we are going to remove your headache. Huh?
No headache, migraine only.
Okay, next one. Chora pasana pabbetang dhavanti. Chora pasada pabbetang dhavanti. Pasada or pasadamha pasadasma. Both are correct. Same meaning. Okay, write down. Chora Patama Bahuvachan, the thieves. Pasada Pasadamha Pasadasma Panchami Ekavachan, from the palace. Pabbatang Dutya Ekavachan, the mountain. Dhavanti Kiriya Bahuvachan, run. Because of Pabbatang, to the mountain, adverb, become adverb. Okay, next one. Devo Sagga Saggamha Saggasma Viharang Otarati. This is good, no? This time also Deva is coming, we can see, no? Devo Saggamha Viharang Otarati. Devo Saggamha Paauk Viharang Otarati. Devo Saggamha Singapore ratte Paauk Viharang Otarati. We can add many. Ratte. Country meaning Ratte, Pali. Ratte. Singapore ratte. Different. It's one word, Ratte Pali. Meaning Devo meaning the deity. Saggamha, from the heaven. Viharang, the monastery. Otarati, descends. The deity descends from the heaven to the monastery. Do you like to go heaven? Why? For what? Heaven is very dangerous. too much lust, too much karma. It's better go to the Brahma Loka. Brahma Loka is good. What is good? Don't have any lust. Yeah, don't have any karma, sensual pleasure. Yeah, you have to practice jhana this life. Yeah, good. Can meditate. First meditate. But if you are go to the Tusita heaven, very safe your life. Very, very safe. That is too much. I forget the how many queens of the Sakha. How many? 2.5 million. 2.5 million queens belongs to the Sakha. Only for Sakha. 2.5 million. How many? Don't go there. Don't go. Too much sensual. Okay? Okay, right? Already? Already? Okay, next one. Vanija Divarehi Mache Ganhanti. Very good. Vanija meaning the merchants. Ganhanti take. Mache fish. Fish or fishes? Fish. Same, Pali also like this sometime. Fish, singular plural. The cut. the English cuts. The different way. Okay. Same meaning. Divarehi from the fisherman. The merchants take the fish also can, no? Singular, fish, plural. Without es also can, no? From the fisherman. So Brahmananam for the Brahmins. Chatutya also we add Chatutya also for the Brahmins. This time we can add like this. Upasako apanamha bhikkунං macce ganhanti. Different. Upasaka meaning the layman. Apanamha by the shop. Apana meaning by the shop. Apana. Yeah, from the shop. Apana salam also can. Apana sala. Vanija divarehi brahmananam macce ganhanti. Vanija divarehi brahmananam macce ganhanti. The merchants take the fish from the fishermen for the Brahmins. Okay? Everybody okay? Next one. Bhupalo amacchehi saddhin gamamha dipang gacchati. Okay. Bhupalo meaning amacchehi sadding. Gamamha Deepang Gachati. Why Deepang meaning island? Because Deepang to how many mean? Two meaning here, no? Why the to the lamp? Cannot? To the light? Why cannot? Now you understand? Now you read the whole sentence. Then Gamamha Deepang Gachati. Deepang Gachati. Gachati meaning go. Goes. Not to the lamp. To the island. The Deepang two meaning. Deepang we can say to lamp. To the lamp. The lamp also deep. Island also deep. Now you can understand according to the sentence. What is the different meaning? This is a way, slowly by slowly you can understand. That's it. Bhopalo amacchehi saddin gamahama deepang gachati. Now someone can say, example, now the word by word meaning follow deepang. Someone said the lamp also can. But here to the island. Lamp also deep, island also deep. To the same Pali words but two different meaning. Okay. The king goes from the village to the island with his ministers. Okay. Now do you know the meaning? Patama Eka Vachana Tatya Bhavaj, no need to write down. Now you know. Only the special thing, the new words write down. It doesn't, we can save our time. Then I can teach more. True, no? Okay, next one. Now about the fish meaning, but this is English, no need to explain. Singular fish, plural fish, but sometimes fishes they use. Anyway, okay. Translate into Pali. The farmer takes the ox from the merchants. Okay, try to translate the farmer. The farmer, Kasako, from the merchants. Vanijamha, yeah. Ox, the ox. Konang takes. Ganhati. Okay. Kasako. Sorry, plural. The merchants plural. Vanijehi vanijebhya. Kasako vanijebi gonang ganhati. Okay. Next. The hunters bring deers from the island for the doctor. The hunters bring deers from the island for the doctor. The hunters loot the car. From the island. Deepamha for the doctor. Vejjassa vejjaya. Deer. The mige. Mige. Bring. Tomorrow holiday. Because today we can go until 9:30, no? Okay, next one. Next one meaning exercise, homeworks. Take the homeworks. Everybody receive? No? This one fast. One for me. Need more? Oh, see. The Vietnam. Okay. Okay. Now, first example sentence. Please recite. You mean? What does it say? Panchami? No. Oh. Okay. Okay, first one. Dharaka sopana patanti. Dukkha. Dukkha, no? Dharaka sopana patanti. What's the meaning? We have to bring to see doctor. Dharaka, the children. Patanti, fall from the stairway or ladder. No need. Answer no need. The homeworks.
Okay.
Yachako upasakehi odanang labhati. Yachako, the beggar, receive rice from the laymen, lay devotees also can. Okay, go to the translate into Pali. First one, the deer runs from the lion. Siha, sihamha, sihasma. Migo, sihamha, dhavati. Dhavati run, dhavati. Okay, next one. The deities descend from the heaven to the world. The deities, Deva, to the world. Lokas, from the from the heaven, Sagamha, to the world. Why you lokang? Lokas, if you put no any accusative word. Lokang, lokang meaning his lokang, descent, oru hati. Correct? Oru hati? Oru hanti. Otarantesu can. Otarantesu. This is Oruhati. Oruhati, Otarati. Both correct, ne? Aruhati. No, I forgot. Aruhati. Oruhati, Aruhati. Climb. Aruhati. It's Oruhati, descent. Aruhati, climb. Okay, this is homeworks. Do you have any question? Have 10 minutes. Pali to English. Okay. Vanija mittehi saddhin ratehi gamehi agachanti. What is the meaning? Very complicated, no? Actually, this is printing mistake. Gamehi. This is gamang. This is gamang. Okay. Okay. The gamehi, the printing mistake, gamang. No, the gamang. Yeah, but here the because don't have the accusative. Gamang. Yeah, but we have to add the gamehi. We have to, if you want to add, we have to add the another word accusative. Don't have accusative here. Vanija mittehi saddhin ratehi gamang agachanti. Vanija, the merchants, mittehi saddhi, with his friends, ratehi, with the vehicle, by the vehicle, agachanti, come to the village. Pasad. Oh, this is okay, but next time we add. Okay. But if you add the one word, the accusative example pasadang, and then a little bit different. Vanija mittehi saddhin ratehi gamehi pasadang agachanti. At then ratehi gamehi. Between the two words we have to add one word, but mean va. Don't have meaning. Va. The va meaning, the one of the Pali words, we call nipat. Don't have meaning here. Okay, no need. It's better. Game, please correct gamang. Later I explain another way. Gamang. Any question? No. No time to ask. Tomorrow after lunch, if you have any Pali question, I can explain until 2 o'clock. Okay? Until 2 o'clock. If you have anything to ask about Pali only, not other. Okay, we share in minutes. Idam me punyang asavakkayavahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanas paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi. Te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sukhi ho.